All right, y'all. As y'all can see, I really did it. I cut everything off. All the progress, all the forks, all the patterning, gone. And honestly, I needed this, to be honest. My hair wasn't healthy, the patterning wasn't what I wanted, and I felt like I was maintaining something I didn't even like anymore. But sometimes you just gotta step back and evaluate the room, the temperature. It's December. This is the month that everybody waits for that fresh restart. But I did not want to wait till January to restart anything. I wanted this to happen right away. I wanted to feel getting back into that routine, that discipline. I wanted that reset right now. So as you can see, I'm starting my waves from zero right now. No waves, no tadpoles, no none in my head right now. Just a clean canvas. And honestly, it feels great. Your boy about to come back even harder, even better. Hair healthier, pattern, just out of control. OC, man. That's it. Even with my hair this low, I'm still getting into that routine. People think it's like a specific stage you're supposed to brush at. But this right here is gonna build the foundation. The angles, the discipline, the muscle memory, all of that starts right here. My last pattern, it had potential, but I wasn't consistent with my health, my routine, and my life in general. And the waves was kind of like a reflection of what I didn't want. So, I had to restart. So the goal is for the waves this time, better connection, better flow, of course. Most importantly, the crown. I feel like I've been lacking in my crown every time I get waves. So that's where I'm gonna try to step it up at. But I do appreciate everybody that's tuning in. I'm gonna keep the updates coming on how the waves is looking. They should be coming in within 3 months, maybe sooner than that. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be coming in. But of course, we're gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe as always. And yeah.
Man, it's already funded. Yeah. I brought your wifey out the same morning. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. I quit they all to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-Minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now they talk at the corner stores, I'm TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always had scenes when it's so together. Yeah. I let that last line breathe and take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you. Cloud up your judgment to talk loosely. I really do this. Been flowing stupid since Vince Carter was on some Buddha legs, arm in a hooch. Drinking hypnotic with Glenn Lewis. I've been through it. Y'all was so afraid to lay claim to it. Too busy face screwing on waist movements. You was riding TTC Metro, I had the place booming. First take Drake, you know I rarely have to take to it. And they still take to it. Big Apple had the white Hummer parked right in front of Fluid. And we be walking in that minute like we already knew it. But money can't buy happiness, jelly talking truthful. But I'm happiest when I can buy what I want, get how I want. Yeah, that's right.